driving, the traffic stopped due to a flock of geese which were around a wounded goose. We noticed the bird could not fly, and all the other geese were around the wounded bird and not letting anyone near the wounded bird. This scene really touched me as I was amazed by the empathy the birds have exhibited towards their friend. We helped the injured bird, but I wanted to share this display of friendship and loyalty exhibited by the birds so that we all know that there's such a thing on the planet.